In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to downgrade Google Drive storage. We'll walk through the process in your web browser. Make sense of the options you'll see, and share a few tips so you know what to expect after the change. First, open Google Drive in your browser and sign into the account you want to manage. Give the page a moment to load. On the main Drive screen, look over to the left sidebar. This panel is where you navigate between files and folders. And it also shows a small storage indicator near the bottom. Take a quick look at that indicator to see how much space you are currently using. It's helpful to know this before you downgrade, because if you move to a plan with less space than you are using today, your files remain safe. But you may not be able to upload new files, sync changes, or create new items until you free up space. Next, click the option labeled Get More Storage. Even though the wording sounds like an upgrade, it actually takes you to your storage plan details, where you can review your current plan and access options to change it. This is the place you'll use to manage your subscription, including moving to a smaller plan. Now, go to the settings at the top right side of your Drive window. Click the gear icon to open settings inside. Look for the storage or subscription section. You should see information about your current plan and, importantly, a link or button that allows you to change or downgrade your plan. Click to downgrade. Follow any on-screen prompts to confirm your choice. You'll typically be shown when the change takes effect, often at the end of your current billing period, and what your new storage limit will be afterward. Before you wrap up, double-check that the new plan suits your needs. If you plan to downgrade to the free allowance, consider doing a quick cleanup of large files, old backups, or items in your trash so you stay under the new limit. After you confirm, keep an eye on your email for a confirmation of the change and the effective date. That way, you'll know exactly when your new storage limit applies. And that's it. You opened Google Drive in your browser. Check the left sidebar to understand your current usage. Clicked Get More Storage to reach your plan details. Went to the top right settings, and then click to downgrade. Thanks for watching.